Hello everybody, today we're going to be making geleje part 2 with my grandpa. He decided to take on the challenge to see who would make the best geleje, and I'm not gonna lie, my jiddo makes the best one in my opinion.
Backstabber!
But I don't care what my dad says, but I guess you guys can try the recipe out for yourself and see who you think is the best.
Lies!
And plus, I think my grandpa makes it a little bit easier because, as you can see, all of these first steps are no heat. So
It's paid for!
it's very simple and nice and better. So you're going to start off with chopping your cherry tomatoes in half and then your garlic.
Nothing special!
Okay, Baba, خلاص. And then you're going to do your chili pepper. Cut it. Look how nice and cute he cuts it. My grandpa is pretty old, guys, but he's really good and really healthy, and he makes the best food. It's awesome. So hopefully one day I could be like him. Maybe I should learn how to cook first, and then I can be like him. And then he's going to... So notice, yeah, he adds everything to this pan. No heat, just olive oil. Then he adds the cherry tomatoes, the pepper, and the garlic. And he sprinkles a little bit of salt and then a drizzle of olive oil on top so that it reaches, the surface. And after that, we're gonna start putting it on the heat. He keeps it on low and then just covers it. And he keeps watching it, looking at it. You're like, oh, is it ready? Not yet. That's literally it. He just keeps it there. No super low maintenance, super nice. He might mess around with it a little bit just to get everything in the oil.
Too much oil!
But other than that, it's very, very simple. You're literally doing nothing. And this is him heating up some bread so he can eat it with it. And then you're literally done. Like, how simple was that? There was zero anything involved. And he finally finished off his breakfast with a wonderful moment with my grandma. So he made tea for her, and they're both eating this together. Because, you can't have a complete breakfast without your favorite person in the world. They're very cute. They fight a lot sometimes, but they're very cute at the end of the day. So I guess that's how all relationships are. Anyways, that's not what we're here for. We hope you enjoy this geleje and that it's as simple for you as it is for my grandpa. Bye-bye!